What is pharmacokinetics? Pharmacokinetic is a branch of pharmacology and it is the drug disposition in the body. Pharmacokinetic is derived from two words, pharmaco meaning drug and kinetics meaning movement. So, pharmacokinetics means movement of drug. Basic principle of pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics deals with the absorption, distribution and elimination of drugs but also has utility in evaluating the time course of environmental toxicologic agents as well as endogenous compounds. An understanding of four fundamental pharmacokinetic parameters will give the toxicologic pathologist a strong basis from which to appreciate how pharmacokinetics may be useful. These parameters are clearance, volume of distribution, half-life, and bioavailability. Importance of pharmacokinetics studies. Patient may suffer, toxic drugs may accumulate, useful drugs may have no benefit because doses are too small to establish therapy. A drug can be rapidly metabolized. The four cornerstones of pharmacokinetics are ADME. A for absorption, D for distribution, M for metabolism, E for excretion. Process of pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes how the body affects a specific chemical after administration through the mechanism of absorption and distribution, as well as the metabolic changes of the substance in the body and the effect and roles of excretion of the metabolites of the drug. Absorption means entry of a drug from its site of administration to the systemic circulation. Distribution means process by which a drug enters the interstitium or tissues from the blood. Metabolism or biotransformation means processes by which a drug is changed to its active form or to its removable form. Excretion means removal of the drug from the body. Pharmacokinetic parameters. Commonly used pharmacokinetic parameters are bioavailability, volume of distribution, half-life, clearance. Bioavailability. It is defined as the fraction of the drug dose that reaches the systemic circulation in unchanged form after pre-systemic elimination and is available for action. Relative bioavailability is amount of drug absorption by amount of drug administered by any route. Volume of distribution. It is the volume that would accumulate all the drug in the body if the concentration throughout was same as in plasma, i.e. the body was behaving as a single homogeneous compartment. Volume of distribution is amount of drug in body by concentration of drug in plasma. Half-life. The elimination half-life of a drug is a pharmacokinetic parameter that is defined as the time it takes for the concentration of the drug in the plasma or the total amount in the body to be reduced by 50%. Half-life is 0.693 into volume of distribution by clearance. Clearance is a pharmacokinetic measurement of the volume of plasma from which a substance is completely removed per unit time. Clearance is elimination rate by plasma drug concentration. It is a plasma level time curve. This curve is important to know the concentration of a drug in blood and the amount of drug removed in urine. Cmax means maximum concentration attained. Maximum concentration is the highest concentration of a drug in the blood, cerebrospinal fluid or target organ after a dose is given. Tmax for time to peak. The time after admin that it takes for the drug to reach maximum concentration. This is an indication of the rate of absorption. AUC for area under the curve. The area under the curve is reached to the amount of drug absorbed systemically. MEC for minimum effective concentration. The minimum effective concentration reflects the minimum concentration of drug needed at the receptors to produce the desired pharmacologic effect. MTC for minimum toxic concentration. The minimum toxic concentration represents the drug concentration needed to just barely produce a toxic effect. Onset of action. This is the time at which the administered drug reaches the therapeutic range and begins to produce effect. Therapeutic range. This is the plasma or serum concentration range within which the drug is likely to produce the therapeutic activity or effect. Duration of action. This is the time span from the beginning of the onset of action up to termination of action. Termination of action. This is the time at which the drug concentration in plasma falls below the minimum effective concentration. That's all.